What's up, everybody? It's C's Get Degrees here, and today I'm going to be talking about Grav and how you can edit it to make the website that you want. So Grav is basically a platform for creating websites, and it's got all these um, layout options for you, so you don't ever feel like you're stuck in a single design option. And really, it's just a very intuitive software to use. I myself have never used it before, but it took me just a little bit of toying around, and I feel like I understand the software really well. For the most part, it's just HTML, which we've been working on, or I've been working on personally, so I was comfortable doing that. And really, it was pretty awesome to, just mess around with stuff and watch the changes happen live. So for this little tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how to add pages to your Grav website and edit them. And so I'll do this by changing over to my admin page. So obviously that was my sites page, or my additional resources page, but for this example I'm just going to show you how to add a new page. So right here you just go up to this add button, click it. For the page title we're going to be talking about, for the page title we're going to name it video demo. Alright, and then from here it's just HTML, right? So we're going to make a title. Oops. Make a subtitle. And then we're going to create a paragraph. Alright, so that was pretty simple. Then you just go over, up here you click save. And once that's done, now I can go to my website, I can refresh it, and there is my video demo with my title, my subtitle, and my paragraph. Obviously you can add links, you can add pictures, etc., but I didn't feel like that was super important for this because that's just HTML, it's not actually Grav itself. So I hope that this has been informative. I hope that you are motivated to check out Grav in the future if you ever need to create a website. And with that, this has been C's Get Degrees signing off.